Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a clip-in review video. I'm really excited to try these clip-in extensions. They are from a company called Modern Fro, and this company was created by a group of sisters, so support your sisters. Support your sisters. So I haven't even opened the package yet because I wanted to do it on camera so that we can both see what it's like together. Y'all know I love some good packaging. This packaging is so freaking cute. It has the little Modern Fro lady, and it comes with a little cute pink ribbon. I think that is adorable. Just open it like this, and this was inside. Okay, so they already get like 100% for the packaging. It comes with a little cute wooden comb with their logo on it. I'm definitely gonna be using that. And this beautiful silk bag. So I got the Nefertiti clip-in set, and I got the 18 inches. They do have other different kind of textures, but I got this texture because it looked like it was the closest to my actual hair texture. It feels like real natural hair. It's super duper soft and it's thick, which I like. It's not like thick like, oh my gosh, it's a sheep on my head, but like it's thick enough to where it looks and feels like real natural hair. It comes with this card, and it's just telling you how to take care of the hair, how to maintain it, when to wash it, and everything like that. So you could either get this hair in clip-ins, or you could get the actual extensions with the wefts. So if you wanted to make it into a wig, or you just want to sew it in, you do have that option. So I'm gonna let you know how many wefts I have and how many clips are in each weft. First, I just wanted to get a close-up of the hair and the texture and the definition. The wefts look really good. Like they're not gonna tear easily at all. So this clip that I have in my hand, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 clips. But what I like about this is that the clip in, the ends aren't pointy. They're rounded so that they won't hurt you when you put them in your head. Okay, so it's 2 sets that have 5 clip-ins. It's 4 sets that have 4 clip-ins. And it's 2 sets that have 2 clip-ins. And it's 2 sets that have 1 clip-in. So I think that this is a pretty good amount. This could fit any head of hair. If your head is as big as mine, this will fit, okay? Like, this is enough clip-ins for 1 head of hair. So running my fingers through the hair, I didn't get much shedding. I just got, if you could see this, I just got that little bit, but I always say this, it's expected with curly hair, so it's not like when I put my hands through it, this much hair came out from shedding. So, I mean, this compared to this is nothing, so I'm pretty happy with that. So as you guys know, I am going to color this hair, so I will let you know how this hair does with coloring. I'm going to co-wash this like this. Like, I'm going to co-wash 1 weft so that you can see how it is, just, you know, with it not being colored or anything. And then I'm going to go ahead and co-wash it after I color it too, so we can see the difference between both of those. So I'm really excited to get started, and let's go co-wash. And I didn't record me coloring this hair because I already have about 3 videos showing me coloring hair in this same exact method. So I'll just go ahead and link a video up above if you want to see how I color hair clip-ins. Okay, so with my hair, I really didn't do anything extravagant to it. I just left this eensy weensy tiny piece out in the front, and then I just put my hair into 2 flat twists and bobby pinned it in the back. I'm about to show y'all, don't judge it because it looks a mess, but I'm just saying, like, your hair doesn't have to be so uniformed underneath your clip-ins. Like, you don't have to braid your hair to the scalp just so your clip-ins can clip to your head. You don't have to do that. Okay, so it's not perfect, but trust me, it's going to work. So this is what the hair looks like. I wanted to color the hair, but I wanted it to be dark, but not too dark. So I colored it like this, and it came out like a really dark burgundy plum type of color, which I love. So I know y'all are like, how are you gonna like try to get these two to blend, because they're completely different. Watch me work. They easily open and close. And I'm not even going to start at the very bottom. I'm probably going to start like right here. So that was 4 clips, and right now I'm going to apply the one with 5. And I'm applying the other clip-in with 5. And you can space these out as much as you want to, especially because they're kinky, curly clip-ins, so they're not gonna be like, oh, I see that part in her head. No, you're not.
I'm loving how this hair looks so far.
So I have just this amount and this right here. So I am going to, I don't know if I want to do one. Yeah, I'll do one right there. Okay, so that's my whole head. And look at how full it is. I love the curls. Oh, I love these curls, and I love the color. It really does look like my hair. So what I'm going to do with my leave out, first I'm just going to decide where I want every piece to go. So this part in the front, I'm just gonna tuck it behind my ear. I just wanted it to cover that track part. And then this part right here is going to cover all of that. Just gonna take my water bottle. And I'm just taking some gel. And basically just smoothing it in with the other hair. And of course it's a little bit brighter, but I like that it's like, it's kind of like giving my hair just a pop of color, just giving the extensions a pop of color. I'm just gonna make sure that that is, I'm just making sure that's covering it. And it's just about shaping it. I mean, if you don't color your hair, see, the only thing is just my hair color doesn't match with the color that I decided to color it. And I needed something to cover my tracks, but once this dries, it's gonna look all together like it's supposed to be there. And I'm just going to do the same thing for these over here. I just love how realistic this hair looks, and also I didn't even use all the clip-ins. I still have some left over. So I am very pleased with these extensions. They look like my hair. They look so good. They're so lightweight. It only took me 10 minutes to put them in, and you could just literally get up and go. You could spray them with water. You can put leave-in conditioner, you could put a curling cream in, whatever you like, but look how full they are. And again, I have the Nefertiti clip-in set, and it's the 18 inches. I have to go on vacation next week, and I think I'm wearing these because they're just so easy and they look so good. And even with this hair, like, I colored it, it's not dry. It didn't disrupt the curl pattern. The curls are still juicy. I love that the length isn't even crazy long. I love how it's just right here at my shoulders and it looks very realistic. There's nothing else for me to say about this hair. I love this hair. Summer go-to hair. Bad hair day, go-to hair. Whenever you want to wear clip-ins, go-to hair. When you don't know what to do with your hair, type of go-to hair today. Like any type of day you could wear this hair. Summer, spring, fall, winter, anything. Definitely let me know what you think down below in the comments. I will leave all of Modern Fro's information down in the description box, where you can find their website, where you can find them on Instagram, and make sure you follow me on Instagram too. But that's basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next video.